Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Yes, I am in the floor because I have the kids painting and I'm going to take off their name. If you can see, I already started, but I was like, you know what? I'm gonna wait and do it on camera so y'all can see the finished product with me. Sir, excuse me, get back. But before I do that, I wanted to show y'all this bodysuit I got from Amazon. I am so super excited about it. I love bodysuit, but this one, it doesn't seem tight and it actually seems kind of seamless. So it might actually not be that bad, but it is super soft and it does have the snap closure, which is also very handy, especially when going to the bathroom. But yeah, it is like a mock neck and long sleeve, and it's gonna be perfect for winter time. And I'm trying to think at who posted this. I feel like Tanner Mann is the one who posted about this. If y'all are not following her, you definitely need to. I will link her Instagram down below. She is so stinking cute. I love her style. It is very girly. She loves pink. She also works out, and her and her husband actually have like a fitness program that they do together, and her husband trains people for like fitness competitions. So if you are really into fitness, definitely follow her. If you are into cute girly things, definitely go follow her. But she is definitely one of my favorite bloggers. Okay, let's finish these paintings. I am so super excited about this. Okay, so that did not really go according to plan, but I still think they look good. So I actually had a comment on the video where they painted them asking if I was gonna hang them where they have like their food dish and stuff. And we actually had them like in front of the counters. And since I have all those command strips, I actually could do that. So, because I didn't really know where I was gonna hang them or put them or anything. And that is actually a really good idea. So thank you, Charlotte, for that idea. I actually think I might do that. But they have been wanting to open their bark box all day, so I am going to let them do that. Their real bark box came and they know exactly what it is. When FedEx brought it, Daisy was sitting at the door whining, which anytime we get packages, they think it's theirs, so she will whine until I go get it off the porch. But they know what their bark box is. And I don't know if y'all remember, but I opened what I thought was their bark box, but it was extra toys. My husband ordered them. Today is their real one, and I think it's Christmas themed. So I'm excited to see what it is, and I know they're excited. But yes, I talked about it before, but I'll go ahead and say it again. We have to get them the Super Chewer box because they tear up everything, like all those tough toys that say approved by so-and-so, and it's like a pit bull. They need to let golden doodles, mini golden doodles, do the wear test because they can eat through anything. I think they chew on the toys to tear them up, not just to play with. Are you ready? Oh my goodness, it's Rudolph. Hey, okay, so copper. I have to take the paper off, sir. So there's a little like chisel, like a hammer, a pickaxe. There. Jingle jingle jerky. Oh my gosh, look, it's Rudolph. I need to get closer so y'all can see this. How stinking cute. Oh, you're low down with aren't you, Daisy? Sam the snowman. This one. Yukon Cornelius. Okay, I don't know. That one's cute, but all that they are gonna destroy. I'm gonna try some of the Dolly's Delights. Yukon Yummies, I guess, because it's Christmas. They have, I feel like they're extra. And then they like these chew sticks. Chicken stick recipe. Jingle jingle jerky. I already showed those, but okay, so I did skip a day yesterday. So y'all will get to open 2 days. Ready to open your calendar? You're going to have to put the new toy down. Okay, so need to do 16 and 17. Okay, so 16's down here and then 17's up here. And they're all three the same thing. Sit down. Sit. I know. I know, it's the same. Our Bartwalk treats were better, weren't they? Here, sit down. Sit. Sit. That's lay down. And then 17. Stop. No wonder I get confused on days and stuff. Because yes, 16's down here, 17's here, so it went 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. It's going like up and down. Okay, I know I didn't film a lot today, but I am going to go ahead and end today's Vlogmas. I feel like I have had a lot of longer vlogs. Hopefully y'all don't mind and hopefully y'all are enjoying Vlogmas. I can't believe it is almost over. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit relieved. I had thought about ending it on the 20th. I still might, not gonna lie, but I'm still not 100% sure. Tomorrow I'm gonna be posting my Louis Vuitton collection, So if you have been wondering about that or waiting on that, that will be day 19, I think. But it will be tomorrow whenever y'all are watching this vlog. But that is it for today. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the rest of Vlogmas. But that is it for today, and I will see y'all tomorrow.